This video explains how you can install these languages: Jython, Kotlin, Go, and Clojure. So if you want to install these languages in Mac, it is very simple. Actually, you can use the brew command to install these languages. So all you have to do is execute this command called as brew install. And then the language name, let's say Go, and then it will install it. If you want to check if the Go is already installed or not, you can come here in the terminal and then execute this command called as go-version, and you can see that this command is not found, it's saying. So let us install it, brew install Go. That's it, and then that Go language will be installed over there. And same command you can use, brew install. Just replace this Go with the other language that you want to install. For example, if you want to install Jython, just replace Go by Jython here, or Kotlin or Clojure. So before installing any package, it updates the homebrew, like updates other packages, and then starts installing the language. So you can see that it is accessing the core repository or core formally from homebrew.bintray.com, and then it will download the package and install it. So Go is very popular language. It is gaining a lot of popularity. People are replacing Java with Go stack, or even it is a big competitor to the Node.js as well. So it will install. It will take a time. So I'm not gonna wait till then. So all you have to do is just use this command brew install and then language name. Thanks for watching this video. And if you want to check the version, you can just type in terminal go dash dash version like that, or clojure dash dash version, and then it should display the version as well. Thanks for watching this video.